Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, heated steering wheel, halogen headlamps, Uconnect system, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Take a ride in the 2018 Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.